Zaanse Schans, a picturesque neighborhood near Amsterdam. Historic windmills and distinctive green wooden houses transport you back to the 18th and 19th centuries, which played a pivotal role in the Dutch Industrial Revolution, paving the way for the illustrious Dutch Golden Age. As you step into this living museum, you'll be transported to the 18th and 19th centuries, where the sound of creaking windmill blades and the sweet scent of chocolate wafting from nearby factories create an atmosphere that captures the essence of traditional Dutch life. Zaanse Schans is not only a haven for windmill enthusiasts but also a haven for those interested in the art of craftsmanship. The area boasts authentic artisan workshops, where skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old techniques in clog-making, cheese production, and other traditional Dutch trades. Visitors have the opportunity to witness these artisans at work, creating handmade treasures that serve as a testament to the enduring craftsmanship of the region. Adding to the charm of Zaanse Schans is its collection of historic houses and museums, each telling a unique story of Dutch life through the ages. From the Zaanse Museum to the Verkade Experience, these institutions provide a captivating glimpse into the art, culture, and commerce that have defined the Zaanse region for centuries.